Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are good and safe. At this time of crisis, Cambridge International School Daswa is going to help you out for learning. We have started e-learning for you people only because your future really matters to us. Sitting at home and learning from home is little difficult. Don't feel sad, we are here to help you out. Cambridge International School Daswa has taken only this initiative for e-learning for their own students. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Daswa, your political science teacher, and today we are going to start paper B, and the name of the book is Politics in India Since Independence. इंडिपेंडेंस से लेकर पूरी की पूरी पॉलिटिक्स वी विल डिस्कस. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन पेपर ए द वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिक्स एंड इन पेपर बी वी विल डिस्कस इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स. So the topics would be covering here in it: challenges to nation building from chapter and challenges for the new nation, 3 challenges and process of partition. So challenges of nation building. Shall we recap the previous book? Because in that book we have covered so many chapters from Cold War era, US hegemony, then we have discussed last topic we have discussed globalization. Before globalization we have discussed environmental and resources. So means all the world politics we have discussed. But now in paper B we will discuss Indian politics. Challenges of nation building. Yes, at the hour of midnight on 14-15 August 1947 India attained independence. आधी रात को 14-15 अगस्त की आधी रात को हमें आज़ादी मिल गई. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of Free India, addressed a special session in the Constituent Assembly that night. This was famous Tryst with Destiny. It means you can say meeting with the destiny. Fine. Speech that you are familiar with. So आधी रात को जब डिसाइड हुआ तो पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने एक स्पीच दी. A special speech, you can say it's the Constituent Assembly. You can see this is the original picture of that. See the second picture I have pasted here in a difficult situation. Because this was not going to be easy. India was born in very difficult circumstances. Perhaps no other country by then was born in a situation more difficult than that of India in 1947. जैसा ट्रॉमा हमने फेस किया दुनिया के किसी देश ने नहीं फेस किया. Freedom came with the partition of the country. Fine. The year 1947 was a year of you can say violence and trauma of the displacement. Beta, whenever you will get time, free time and sitting with your parents or grandparents or great grandparents, just discuss that trauma in their minds. तब क्या हुआ था 47 के टाइम में when India and Pakistan divided. So it was in this situation that independent India started on its journey to achieve several objectives. पर वो trauma हमेशा लोगों के दिमाग में, लीडर्स के दिमाग में था. Now there were three challenges faced by independent India. First one was nation building. Yes, this was the first challenge because first 3 chapters are related to the challenges. So we will cover 3 challenges in 3 chapters. The chapters are very very interesting, easy to learn, and together we will make this interesting topic more interesting, my dear. So the first challenge was nation building. Diversity and partition were the main obstacle. Opposition from regional rulers. Fine. So broadly independent India faced 3 kinds of challenges. The first one was immediate challenge was to shape a nation that was united yet accommodative of the diversity of our society. Because India was a land of continental size and diversity. आपको पता ही है, people speak different languages, they follow different cultures, different religions. So at that time it was widely believed that a country full of such kinds of diversity could not remain together for long. बहुत से लोग ऐसा कहते थे कि इतनी सारी डाइवर्सिटी के होने के साथ साथ इंडिया यूनाइटेड रहे, नॉट पॉसिबल. So the partition of the country appeared to prove everyone's worst fears. There were serious questions about the future of India. ये क्वेश्चन क्या थे? Would India survive as a unified country? Would it be emphasizing national unity at the cost of other objectives? Would it mean rejecting of all regional and subnational identities? So there was an urgent question. How was the integration of territory India to be achieved? ये सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था हमारे सामने कि हम यूनिटी कैसे रखेंगे और साथ में रीजनल डाइवर्सिटी को भी कैसे मेंटेन रखेंगे. द सेकेंड चैलेंज वॉज एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. आज है हमारे यहाँ डेमोक्रेसी, बट बिलीव मी माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आसान नहीं था डेमोक्रेसी लाना. चैलेंजेस वॉज टू डेवलप डेमोक्रेसी प्रैक्टिस इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. यू रिमेंबर ग्रेड 11 में हमारा पहला ही चैप्टर था इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. You know that the Constitution granted fundamental rights and extended the rights to vote to every citizen. 18 साल के ऊपर you are having right to vote. India adopted representative democracy based on the parliamentary form of government. So these features ensured that the political competition would take place in a democratic framework. This was the second challenge. Now third challenge. Can you see the photo? Can you see the photo on your screen? The two photos. Development and the well-being of entire society. Effective policies for economic growth. Eradicate matlab remove poverty. So this was the third challenge, my dear, to ensure the development and well-being of entire society, and not only for the some sections. Here again the constitution clearly laid down the principle of equality and special protection to socially disadvantaged groups and religious and cultural minorities. The real challenge now was to involve effective policies for economic development and eradication of poverty. So the first three chapters we will clear these three challenges. Fine. Now we got independent, and first our problem was nation building. This is the original picture that you are watching in your screen. पहला चैलेंज था नेशन को कैसे बिल्ड करना. हमने नया it was newborn country and it was a big challenge before. So you can say that we shall see how India chose shape itself into a nation, united by the shared history and common destiny. So further you are having pictures, my dear students, page number 6 and page number 7. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, you can see the picture. Faz Ahmed Faz, you can see, and Amrita Pritam, Jawaharlal Nehru. Please observe those pictures very carefully related to the topic. Now the two nation theory आ गई थी. अब ये टू नेशन थ्योरी क्या थी? कैन यू सी द पिक्चर मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ऑन द स्क्रीन? बिकॉज दिस पर्सन वॉज इन फेवर फॉर द पार्टीशन. एडवांस्ड बाय मुस्लिम लीग लीडर मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना. इंडिया कंसिस्टेड ऑफ टू पीपल, हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम. दो तरह के लोग आ गए थे. पीपल, हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम, डिमांडेड पाकिस्तान अ सेपरेट कंट्री फॉर द मुस्लिम एंड डिमांडिंग हिंदू फॉर सेपरेट कंट्री लाइक हिंदुस्तान. So on 14-15 August, not one but two nations people come here, India and Pakistan. The drawing of the border demarcating the territory of each country marked as culmination, climax of political development that you have read about by the Muslim League. So India was now consisted of two people. Yes, Congress opposed the theory. महात्मा गांधी नहीं चाहते थे कि इंडिया डिवाइड हो. वो नहीं चाहते थे कि देयर शुड बी हिंदुस्तान एंड पाकिस्तान सेपरेट कंट्रीज. सो पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन बिटवीन कांग्रेस एंड मुस्लिम लीग एंड ब्रिटिश रूल लेड टू द क्रिएशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान. तीनों की बनी नहीं आपस में, तीनों के बहुत ज़्यादा क्लैशेस थे एंड फाइनली पार्टीशन हो गया. इट वॉज अ वेरी पेनफुल, द पेनफुल ट्रॉमा स्टिल वी आर हैविंग ऑन आवर माइंड. Process of partition was painful and difficult. You can see the picture how this picture is painful. One side Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, on the other side Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and the whole area is cutting between Pakistan and Hindustan. Muslim people will live in Pakistan and Hindu people will live in Hindustan. So much difficulties we have, so many difficulties we have faced. Muslim majority areas would be made Pakistan, rest of the people will live in Hindustan. You can see the picture, Muslims and Hindus. Now 4 difficulties we will face. This will be the second question that you will write in your copy. First those 3 points and now 5 difficulties related to the partition of India. Now the process of India, the process of partition was not only painful, difficult to decide to implement. इसको बनाएं कैसे? It was a newborn. In this point, my dear student, you can write also here like Muslim majority areas wanted to be Pakistan, and Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, the undisputed leader of northern western frontier province known as Frontier Gandhi, because ये उस हक में थे, इनको Frontier Gandhi भी कहते हैं. You can see the picture here. Fine, this is Abdul Ghaffar Khan. And opposed to two nation theory, eventually his voice was simply ignored and this made the merge to Pakistan. और फिर पाकिस्तान बन गया. इनकी आवाज़ को, गांधी की आवाज़ को किसी ने नहीं सुना. So this was the second challenge, that his voice was ignored. Now there was third challenge. What was the third challenge? Third difficulty we faced. Two Muslim majority provinces, Punjab and Bengal, had non-Muslim majority areas. Later Punjab and Bengal were bifurcated. Bifurcated means those divided into two branches. Fine. So this was the third challenge. Can I explain a little more to you, because you have to write this question. You can write here that the non-Muslims were in majority. Eventually it was decided that these two provinces would be bifurcated according to the religious majority. जहाँ जहाँ जो जो धर्म के ज़्यादा लोग होंगे. The decision cannot be made by the midnight 14-15 August. It meant that a large number of people did not know on the day of independence whether they were in India or Pakistan. See the trauma, my dear students. उस रात, जिस रात इंडिया पाकिस्तान बना, लोगों को नहीं पता था कि सुबह वो इंडिया में रहेंगे कि पाकिस्तान में रहेंगे. ये चीज़ें, उस रात का ट्रॉमा, terror, deepest trauma about that partition. Just imagine the condition. इतनी आज़ादी, इतनी आसानी से आज़ादी नहीं मिली थी, और आज़ादी जो मिली भी थी, it was a newborn baby like. इसको अभी पूरा का पूरा bring up करना था. Now fourth problem of minority. देखो वो आज भी है इंडिया में minority, but India never ignore minorities. Lakhs of Hindus and Sikhs in Pakistan and large number of Muslims in India became undesirable alien in their own house. हिंदू तो चले गए हिंदुस्तान में, पाकिस्तान में चले गए मुस्लिम, बट जो मिनॉरिटी में थे वो कहाँ जाए? They were feeling themselves like alien. This was related to the fourth and most important problem of the partition, because this was the problem of minority, both sides of border. They were to discover that they were undesirable alien. Because in that land where their ancestors had their lived for centuries, वो जहाँ रहे थे इतने सालों तक, उनके ancestors, they had to leave. As soon as it became clear that the country was going to be partitioned, the minority on the both sides become easy target to attack. वो बेचारे पिस गए. No one had quite anticipated the scale of problem. No one had any plans for handling this. Initially, the people and the political leaders kept hoping that the violence was temporary and would be controlled soon. This was the problem that we have discussed. Now, time to revise, learn and write the question. So, major, so we have discussed two questions here, but don't ignore those picture based question and those content, or write all the sides related to the topic. Now, the first question you will write in your copy, my dear students. This time no NCERT question we will do on NCERT questions we will do for Saturday and Sundays. But other 5 days we will do major questions from this book, from the lessons. You will write first question. Don't use separate notebook. We are writing on the same book in which we have done part A. Okay? In same notebook we will write part B. बस एक पेज छोड़कर वहाँ पर elaborate करके बड़ा बड़ा horizontal में लिख लेना part B chapter this, and on next page you will start writing date, particular date. ठीक है, आज काम किया तो आज की डेट लिखकर देन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन राइट ब्यूटीफुली द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर चैलेंजेस नेशन बिल्डिंग. नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी व्हाट वाज द डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन बिफोर इंडिया एट द टाइम ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, जो हमने पहले डिस्कस किया. ठीक है, वो 3 प्रॉब्लम्स विच इंडिया फेस्ड. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन यू विल राइट, बेटा उस क्वेश्चन को इलेबरेट करना, हमने तीनों के तीनों पॉइंट को हेडिंग देन इलेबरेशन. ब्रीफली डिस्क्राइब द 4 डिफिकल्टीज, जो अभी मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, ये भी इलेबरेट करना है विद हेडिंग एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन. 4 difficulties related to the partition of India. These 2 questions you will write in your notebook, and when we will meet in classes, I will check your notebook. And if you are having any doubt or any queries regarding this topic, let me know. I am here to help you out, my dear students. So today we have covered page 4 to 8 because 2 pages are for picture based question. So we have covered 4 to 8 pages. In my next video, I will tell you what were the other procedure of partition of India. It is really very interesting. Don't miss the class. Don't miss the lesson, my dear students. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Have a good day ahead. Have a safe day. Thank you. Thank you very much.